After authorities retrieved some parts of the Piper Seneca twin-engine plane from the seabed of Masbate Pass, search and retrieval teams are now trying their best to recover the right part of the engine of the airplane, which believed to be the reason why the Piper Seneca plane crashed. Yesterday, technical divers were successful in pulling out the remains of Jesuf Bahinting from the wreckage 100 feet below. Today, authorities were successful in finding the remains of the 21-year-old Nepalese student pilot Chitis Chans, and recovered a big portion of the plane for the investigation to be conducted by the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or CAAP. From the sea, the plane would be taken to Masbate Airport to start the inquiry into how the right engine of the plane stopped. Aside from the scene of the crime, or so-called provers of the PNP, the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group is also there. Right now, the provers have shifted to criminal and technical investigation aspect of the case. Some questions came up, like why did the right engine of the plane stop, and why was Jessup Bahinting sitting on the seat of the co-pilot? For the People's Television, this is Noel Perfecto.